This chocolate chunk banana bread works even if you don't measure anything precisely. I just mashed up the bananas I had right with the whisk that I was using, and then I added in a little bit of ghee, which is clarified butter. You could also use coconut oil, about 1 or 2 tablespoons. I used 1 fewer eggs than the amount of bananas that I was using, some vanilla, a little pinch of salt, cardamom, cinnamon, maca powder, mixed it all together, and then I added the dry ingredients, which was anywhere from 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of coconut flour sifted, and cacao and baking powder. Once you're done sifting in all your dry ingredients, you're going to want to look for a consistency that's about like the one you see here, maybe a little bit runnier. Chop up any add-ins that you want to add in. I'm using dark chocolate here and also some pecans. And then you're going to put it into a greased and prepared loaf pan, and you're going to bake at 350 for about 30 to 45 minutes. Once it's done, let it cool for a bit, and then you're going to cut it into slices. This chocolate chunk banana bread is just heaven with a cup of tea. It's so freaking good.